A single low-cost machine once turned a small family shop in Asia into a six-figure business. Taiwan makes practical machines that help anyone start small and grow fast. In this video, I'll share 20 easy machines you can import and profit from. Mini Universal Turret Milling Machine. This compact milling setup is a favorite in small workshops for shaping and cutting metal with precision. Priced at around $4,200, it's an investment that can quickly pay back. Owners can produce custom machine parts, tools, or even components for local industries. With steady orders, monthly earnings of $2,000 to $4,000 are realistic by taking small batch jobs for local clients. Screw Making Machine. Costing about $3,900, this automatic Taiwan-built machine is compact yet powerful for producing drywall, flat, and furniture screws. The business potential is strong since screws are in constant demand in construction, carpentry, and repair work. By supplying directly to hardware shops or local builders, owners can expect steady orders. With continuous production, small businesses can aim for $2,500 to $5,000 monthly profit by selling in bulk to wholesalers and retailers. Mini Laser Marking Machine. Compact and affordable, this 20V laser marker costs between $850 and $975, making it a low-risk option for startups. It works on metal, glass, and even tabs, ideal for workshops that handle custom branding or DIY products. Businesses can charge per engraving job for items like jewelry, tools, or gifts. With steady local demand, monthly profits of $1,500 to $3,000 are achievable by offering personalized marking services. Sausage Making Machine. This small automatic rotary unit, priced at only $200, is perfect for food stalls and small shops. It prepares crispy sausages quickly, making it ideal for street vendors and snack businesses. The low investment makes it easy to start, while high demand for ready-to-eat snacks ensures steady sales. With daily sales of hot dogs at fairs, markets, or kiosks, monthly earnings can reach $1,500 to $3,000, depending on location and customer flow. Hardware Parts Packaging Machine. For just about $1,400, this automatic multi-head machine can quickly pack screws, nuts, bolts, nails, and washers. It saves time and ensures accurate counting, which makes it attractive for hardware wholesalers and retailers. Small businesses can buy in bulk, repack, and resell neatly packaged sets to shops or online customers. With consistent sales, owners can aim for $2,000 to $4,000 in monthly profit by supplying ready-to-sell hardware packs. Hat Embroidery Machine. Small in size but versatile in use, this single-head embroidery unit is great for customizing hats, sportswear, and even socks or pants. At a price of about $2,000, it is affordable for startups. The business potential is impressive since personalized apparel sells well to schools, clubs, and local brands. By charging per design or bulk orders, owners can target $1,500 to $3,000 monthly profit with steady demand for custom embroidery. Nail Making Machine. Strong and efficient, this Taiwan-made unit produces nails used in furniture, carpentry, and construction. With a price tag of around $3,000, it is budget-friendly for startups. Demand never slows because nails are essential in hardware shops and wholesale markets. By producing in bulk and selling directly to retailers or local distributors, a small business can expect $2,500 to $4,500 in monthly earnings, depending on production volume and sales channels. Plastic Injection Molding Machine. Starting at around $6,900, this 98-ton Taiwanese molding unit is a solid pick for small-scale manufacturers. It allows production of plastic items like containers, household goods, and parts for local industries. The business angle is strong since everyday demand for plastic products never slows down. With consistent orders from shops or local factories, monthly earnings of $3,000 to $6,000 can be achieved by supplying customized plastic items or small batch production runs. 3-axis CNC Milling Machine. This vertical machining center is designed for precision work in fields like automotive, aerospace, and electronics. It handles both rough cutting and fine finishing, which makes it perfect for businesses offering custom machining services or producing small parts in bulk. Consistent demand for high-quality components means steady income with possible monthly earnings of $4,500 to $7,500 $500 from contracts and job work. The cost of this machine is around $9,600. Paper cup making machine. This fully automatic unit from Taiwan costs around $9,800 and is designed to fold, print, and shape cups with precision. Demand for paper cups is growing as businesses shift away from plastic, making it a smart investment. Small businesses can sell to cafes, tea stalls, and catering services. By running consistent batches, monthly profit potential ranges from $4,000 to $7,000 through supplying both branded and unbranded disposable cups. Wet wipes making machine. Compact and efficient, this unit is built to produce and wrap individual wet wipes in one go. Priced around $10,000, it gives entrepreneurs access to a market that is always in demand. Wet wipes are used in homes, restaurants, gyms, and hospitals, making them easy to sell. By offering supplies to wholesalers or branding them for retail, businesses can aim for $4,000 to $7,000 in monthly profit. Popsicle packing machine. With a cost of about $13,500, this vertical packing machine is made for sealing ice lollies and Calippo-style tubes efficiently. The appeal lies in the fast-growing frozen treats market, especially during hot seasons. A small business can supply local shops, schools, and supermarkets with well-packed products. Consistent production and smart distribution can bring in $5,000 to $8,000 monthly, making it a profitable option for food entrepreneurs. CNC vertical milling machine. With 3-axis control and solid build, this vertical CNC unit is built for accuracy and efficiency in machining. The cost sits at about $12,654, which may feel steep, but the earning potential makes it worthwhile. Small businesses can take custom orders for metal components, molds, or precision parts. By handling steady client projects, it's possible to generate $4,000 to $7,000 a month, especially when serving local workshops and repair industries. Plastic bag making machine. At roughly $5,800, this fully automatic unit is designed for producing PP and PE biodegradable shopping and t-shirt bags. Its appeal lies in the growing demand for eco-friendly packaging, giving small businesses an easy entry into the retail supply chain. By selling directly to supermarkets, grocery stores, or wholesalers, monthly income of $3,000 to $6,000 is achievable, as steady orders for shopping bags ensure constant production and regular cash flow. Electric noodle cooking machine. Perfect for restaurants and fast food stalls, this automatic noodle cooker saves energy and speeds up preparation with its auto lift feature. The price ranges from $5,000 to $9,999 depending on model. From ramen shops to canteens, the demand for quick noodle service is constant. A small business can earn $3,000 to $6,000 monthly by selling freshly cooked noodles or supplying ready-to-serve portions to local eateries using this machine. Plastic roll making machine. At about $8,500, this compact extruder is designed for producing plastic film rolls used in packaging, wrapping, and bag making. Its strength lies in the constant demand for packaging materials across retail and manufacturing industries. A small business can sell rolls directly to local shops or supply them to bag manufacturers. With efficient production, it's possible to generate $4,000 to $6,500 monthly by targeting wholesale buyers and repeat contracts. CNC lathe machine. Known for precision and durability, this CNC lathe is priced around $12,500. It can handle tasks like shaping metal rods, making machine parts, or producing components for automotive and repair shops. The business advantage comes from offering custom turning services or mass-producing parts for local industries. With steady clients, small businesses can expect $5,000 to $8,000 monthly earnings by charging per project or supplying bulk orders to factories. Film blowing extrusion machine. This Taiwan-made unit is designed for producing HDPE and LDPE plastic bags with consistent thickness control. At about $20,000, it is a bigger investment, but the payoff is impressive. Small businesses can sell carry bags, packaging rolls, and customized film to local retailers and wholesalers. Steady production can generate $6,000 to $10,000 a month, especially when supplying in bulk to shops that constantly need packaging materials. Snack packaging machine. Designed for fried chips, puff snacks, and similar foods, this horizontal full-servo packaging unit delivers speed and consistency in packing. At around $30,000, it requires a solid investment, but the returns are strong. Packaged snacks are always in high demand across supermarkets, schools, and local stores. By supplying properly packed products to wholesalers or creating a private snack brand, small businesses can aim for $8,000 to $12,000 in monthly profit. CNC milling machine. Buying a used CNC unit from Taiwan at around $25,700 can be a smart move for startups wanting precision without the higher price of new models. These machines are capable of producing molds, custom parts, and small industrial components. Profit potential comes from offering machining services to local workshops and factories. With steady projects, businesses can reach $6,000 to $9,000 in monthly earnings by fulfilling customized production orders. Starting small can lead to big growth. Which machine caught your attention most? Let me know in the comments and hit like and subscribe.